Rhwng rwan ar 24 o fis Chwefror, mae yna gyfle i chi ddod yma i Nghanolfan Mileniwm i weld gwaith Pete Fowler yn yr Arddangosfa Oceans of Fantasy. Mae wedi cydweithio efo y Super Furry Animals, mae wedi creu fideos cerddorol ar gyfer The Horrors, a rwan dwi wedi dod yma i gael sgwrs efo fo. Mae Pete yn wreiddiol o Gaerdydd bellach yn byw yn Llundain, a mae yn adnabyddus am greu cymeriadau dychmygol mewn llefydd arallfydol. Nôl yn 1997, dyluniodd y clawr ar gyfer sengl Super Furry Animals Herman Loves Pauline. Ath o mlaen i ddylunio rhan fwyaf o album, sengla a fideos dilynol y band ynghyd â phrosiectau unigol Griff Rhys. Mae'n amrywiaeth o waith hen a newydd yma sy'n gyfle i gyflwyno gwaith sy'n archwilio themau cerddorol a thirluniau cerniw. Mae Pete wedi gweithio efo cwmnïau byd-eang yn cynnwys Volvic, Levi's, Paul Smith, Sony a llawer iawn mwy. What can people expect from the exhibition?
Well, it's a real cross-section of my work, from almost 50 new pieces I've created especially for the show, to work that I've created about 6 years ago, to dioramas that I've made for Super Furry Animals Lovecraft album. There's a real cross-section of stuff that I do. I try and include a little slice of everything I do here in the show.
Mae'n really nice gweld gyd mewn Arddangosfa special, lot o waith newydd yma, lot o stuff, so mae'n really nice.
You've worked with Super Furry Animals now for what, 15 years?
Yeah, 15, 16 years. I was living in London for a few years, and a good friend of mine, Beth Nghanolfan, wrote a piece for me in a free paper in Cardiff that the band just stumbled across and saw it, and they thought initially I was Japanese, and then they found out I was from Cardiff.
Would you say that the Super Furry Animals has influenced your work at all?
Yeah, definitely. I think music's always been a massive inspiration, and I was a fan of theirs before I started working with them. I had their Moog Droog EP, and I loved Fuzzy Logic, so they were bands that I really picked up on and loved their music. So like when they approached me to work with them, I was just like a bit of a dream, really.
Mae gwaith Pete, pan o'n i'n coleg a ysgol, pan oedd o'n dechrau allan, oedd gwneud gwaith gweld Super Furries a beth fel yna. Oedd stwff o'n really, oedd o'n neud fi eisiau neud beth dwi'n neud dwi'n, so gyda fi lot i ddiolch i Pete Fowler.
What was the inspiration for Oceans of Fantasy?
I've kind of been obsessed with pretty unconsciously obsessed with the sea for a long time, growing up in Cardiff and looking out my window at the Bristol Channel. I think the last few years I do music with a friend of mine under the name Seahawks, and we're both obsessed with the sea and space. So there's a romance, there's a danger, there's a whole fantasy element. But the actual title for the show came from a Boney M album, which is an amazing fold-out album. It's like really outrageous artwork, so I thought I've got to use that. And it seemed to sum up kind of what I'm about right now and my interest over the last few years.
I really like it, man. I mean, I've known Pete since, well, it's about 20 years old. I used to skate with him down in Cardiff and stuff. And then I turned professional, and he designed my first skateboard, my first pro board. So yeah, really like it.
Mae'n artist wyt ti yn gallu casglu waith a heb gorfod gwario lot o arian, really. A maen nhw'n gwneud ti wenu.